Hi guys, I'll show you here how we poured concrete for slab, and you can see we poured concrete and we did the cure and seal, and then we did saw cut. You can see it's the squares saw cut for control joint, okay? And then we started to do the layout. You can see the layout, and we put the seal spray so to keep it exposed when we got rain. So you can see the layout here. That's for the wall. You can see the concrete is flatness, levelness, and here we have that box, you know, for column. And we did the layout so you can see the plumbing, and we will start to do the framing. So start to do the framing, and you can see here the metal door frames is ready to install. You can see different sizes, metal door frames, and you can see the height for the floor for this building is higher than other buildings because here there's a flood zone. You can see here the concrete wall. We pour concrete for wall here, double block with damp proofing. So that's the video for slab work and control joints. Do saw cut for control joints, and you can see the plumbing. You can see here the plumbing inside the wall here. Perfect. Those 4 inches for toilets. They are 18 inches from center. 8 inches. That's vent pipe inside the wall. That's perfect. That's a good job. No mistake. Everything is good. Okay guys, so if you are interested, if you are on construction field interested, please just subscribe my video to receive another video for construction work, different kind of work. Okay guys, so as I said, we did layout, so you can see the layout, and we did spray, so you can see we sprayed the layout for that wall and offices. Okay guys, please subscribe my video. Thank you again. Bye.